Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at an all-new 2020 Harris 250 Solstice. It's a 25-foot pontoon. Got 3 toons. Powered by a Mercury horsepower engine, 200 horsepower. This is considered to be the center walkthrough with dual helm layout. It's a great two-tone. Diamond stitching, got tons of cup holders, JL audio sound system, 2 nice loungers over here. Again, totally new redesign. You got lighted cup holders, lighted seat bases, and lighted speakers. Underneath there is a dressing room. If you look more at the pictures, you can see it laid out. Nice subwoofer, in-floor storage. Got a movable cup holder here. Again, tons of cup holders, upgraded sound. The two-tone is absolutely amazing. 2 tall, high-back captain chairs. Here at the helm, you have a Lawrence hook, your depth finder, the JL audio sound system there. You got a control here to control the back speakers on the swim platform. Or if you're hanging out at the swimming, you can control the music for everybody. Got a charging port, active trim, and digital throttle. Again, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. As always, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos.